Okay, pick a paper out of the bucket to tell them what they're going to do, if they're going to add or subtract. Open it up for me, please. Okay, it's addition. Tell them it's addition.
You rechecked your addition.
Did you guys hear Lauren?
Hold it up.
Did you guys hear Lauren or look at what you're supposed to be doing? Okay, you need her help.
Whoops.
Look at it. Can I have that, Steve? You see it?
Okay, Lauren, they need their next number.
Hit the button.
Good deal. Roll the dice.
What's your next number, Mary? What's your next number? Count them up.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good.
Good job.
Can you solve that problem for me?
Are you going to put the 7 there?